welcome to Project Manager to CEO channel. Today we will go through 7 steps to become a director after project manager. Most PMs never do this. Only 1 in 10 project managers ever becomes a director. Most stay stuck for years, delivering projects, waiting for a promotion that never comes. The gap between PM and director is not about years of experience. It is about a fundamental shift in identity. Today I give you 7 proven steps to cross that gap and claim that director title. Point 1. Understand the real difference between a PM and a director. A project manager executes plans. A director sets them. PMs are measured by on-time delivery. Directors are measured by business impact. McKinsey found that 70% of first-time directors fail within 18 months. Why? They kept doing PM work while sitting in a director seat. You must stop thinking in tasks and start thinking in strategy. A PM asks, how do we finish this? A director asks, should we even start this? That mindset shift does not happen automatically. It requires deliberate rewiring of how you see your role every single day. Point 2. Build strategic thinking every single day. Directors do not ask how, they ask why and what if. Harvard Business Review identified strategic thinking as the #1 skill gap for aspiring directors. Start reading your company's annual report and quarterly earnings calls. Learn what drives revenue and what destroys margins. Then deliberately tie every project you manage to a specific business outcome. Ask yourself before every decision, if this project disappears tomorrow, which business metric suffers? That one question will change how you run every meeting, every update, every conversation. Strategy is a daily habit, not a title. Point 3. Develop executive presence before you get the title. Executives decide who gets promoted based on how you show up, not just what you deliver. Stanford research shows first impressions form in under 7 seconds. Speak less but say more. Bring 3 data-backed points to every meeting instead of status updates. Stop saying I think, say the data shows. Volunteer to present to senior leadership, even in small team reviews. Presence is a practiced skill. The director who replaces you will not be more talented. They will simply be more visible and more confident in rooms that matter. Point 4. Expand your stakeholder management beyond your projects. Project managers manage stakeholders to get approvals. Directors manage stakeholders to shape the company's direction. Start building relationships with CFOs, CMOs, and VPs outside your direct project scope. Gartner research shows directors spend up to 60% of their time in stakeholder influence activities. Schedule 1 coffee chat per month with a senior leader outside your team. Ask them, what business challenge keeps you up at night? Then bring solutions to those problems. You are not just a delivery machine. You are a strategic partner. Build that reputation before you need it. Point 5. Own business outcomes, not just project deliveries. Projects end. Business outcomes persist. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft consistently promote people who own metrics, not milestones. Find one business metric that lives beyond your current project. Maybe it is customer retention rate. Maybe it is engineering velocity. Publicly adopt that metric. Reference it in every status update. When the metric improves, make sure your name is connected to that improvement. That is how directors think. That is how they get chosen. Delivery gets you noticed. Outcomes get you promoted. Point 6. Build and lead a team of managers, not just contributors. Directors manage managers. Most project managers have never done this. If you have only led individual contributors, you have a critical blind spot. Start closing that gap today. Volunteer to mentor junior PMs in your organization. Offer to run your team's onboarding program. LinkedIn workforce data shows that 65% of director-level job postings require proven people management experience. Create visibility for the people you develop. When your men's win, you win. The ability to multiply your impact through others is the exact skill that separates a director from a senior project manager. Point 7. Position yourself visibly for the director role. Visibility is not ego. It is career strategy. Research by Herminia Ibarra at London Business School shows deliberate self-promotion can accelerate promotion timelines by up to 2 years. Write a monthly internal newsletter sharing industry trends relevant to your team. Speak up at town halls. Post weekly insights on LinkedIn. And most importantly, tell your manager directly, I am targeting a director role within the next 18 months. Most people never say this out loud. Ambiguity kills careers. Clarity accelerates them. Make your intention known to every person who holds influence over your next move. Here is your action for the next 10 minutes. Open a blank document right now. Write down the single most important business metric your company is measured on. Write one sentence connecting your current work directly to that metric. Send that sentence to your manager before the day ends. That one act signals director-level thinking immediately. The promotion goes to the person who behaves like a director before they have the title. That person starts right now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to get new videos every week. Drop your questions in the comments below. This is Project Manager to CEO. See you in the next one.